Ever had your dog break a leash right in the middle of a walk? Well, that literally happened to me twice. I'm Hazel with WTI, and I'm here to recommend this heavy duty metal dog leash, which is a 4 feet one and it's chew proof from the brand SLE. I love it. It's been a lifesaver because I have a 1 year old Yorkie and he already broke two leashes, so I knew I needed something stronger. And I love that it's super durable and I don't have to worry about it snapping or getting damaged. I love the length, it's just right. It gives him enough freedom to walk at a comfortable distance while I still feel in control. And another thing I didn't expect to love is how sturdy it is. I can attach my building token, put back holder, and even a keychain, and it holds everything perfectly. So I love that I can even add a pop of color with accessories. And the padded handle makes it comfortable to hold even on longer walks. And for me, it's all about peace of mind. Strong, practical, and perfect for keeping my little one secure. And that was my point of view.